Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm CryptoKip, and today we're going to be talking about the CEO of Crypto.com tweeting out in celebration of a $30,000 Bitcoin, which is excellent to see. Crypto.com also putting out tweets celebrating these big moves for Bitcoin. The reason for this move up today, and CRO coin is following, and we're going to take a look at CRO versus Bitcoin. This is all because of really not only the fake news that happened recently about the spot Bitcoin ETF coming out, but also today the SEC dropped its case against two of the big Ripple Labs executives, Brad Garlinghouse and his partner. Guys, let's talk about this in this video, guys. If you like the content, tap the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get right in. So CRO coin right now versus the dollar is coming up a little bit. As you can see, we are trying to fight against this 5-cent level very firmly, very firmly. I've been looking at a 3.3-cent level. No guarantees it has to happen. Black Sea's been peaking at a 4.5-cent CRO. No guarantees that that has to happen either. But let's look at this, guys. Price of Bitcoin is up $30,000. And so what we're seeing is the altcoins are falling versus Bitcoin. Crypto.com is celebrating this today, as is the CEO of Crypto.com with this awesome smiley face with some sunglasses, enjoying this news after tweeting about some of the partnerships they've had lately and enjoying the fact that the price action for CRO is actually hanging on to that 5-cent floor. They're very excited. And look at the big move on Bitcoin. I'm so happy to be back in my office. I had a wonderful trip with my family, but look at this. I get home to a big green candle on Bitcoin on the day, guys. We currently are up 9.3%. Actually, excuse me, this is a weekly candle. On the week, guys, we are up 9.45%, a 10% move on a $500 billion market cap coin. Absolutely spectacular. Now, what I want to show you guys is that XRP may have triggered this. And you can see XRP, which is one of the altcoins that is outperforming Bitcoin slightly today. As you can see, we have a weekly green candle up against Bitcoin for XRP. Why? Because of this lawsuit getting dropped against these two Ripple executives. CRO versus Bitcoin, on the other hand, is finding those lows that we've been talking about. We've been saying for a while there could be a big retracement down for CRO. We've already made most of that move. Now only looking at potentially about 20% more downside. We had a candle wick down even lower, which if we had continued down would have only been another 11 or 12%. So we are almost there, guys. We are almost there. The end is in sight for CRO versus Bitcoin and the free fall that we've really had. But the thing is why is XRP outperforming CRO? Well, it's because there's a lot of news right now about this lawsuit. And this is a great thing, not just for XRP, but for Bitcoin and for CRO as well. So that's why we saw, in my opinion, Bitcoin hit $30,000 today, which means that CRO versus Bitcoin continues to fall. Obviously, you do have the Crypto.com game that a lot of people are excited about. There's a lot of good reasons to be bullish on CRO. But the fact of the matter is this, guys. CRO is not going to outperform Bitcoin until the altcoins start moving up in a big way. And frankly, guys, we're just not there yet. We're just not there yet. You look at the CRO price versus the US dollar, and sure, maybe we can get up to like 6 cents, possibly back up to 15 cents again. That would be spectacular here. Maybe even in Q4. It's possible, guys, but I wouldn't be surprised to see some of these prices still being in play. We do have to keep an eye out on altcoins versus Bitcoin overall. Ripple has its reasons for moving. XRP price moving today makes sense to me. Bitcoin pumping because of this as well. Crypto.com celebrating it because at the end of the day, this is good for crypto regulation. The SEC is losing. They are forfeiting in court against some of these other firms that they've been attacking, like Ripple. So good to see, guys. That's all I got in this one. Just a quick update for you today. I'm CryptoKip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, as always, guys, got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. So good to be back, guys. I'll see you next time. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. See you guys. Peace.